Hello my friends, in this case we want to learn create some tiles or some stones in our objects. Okay, go to perspective viewport and draw a plane, and I want to set its parameters in length equal 300 centimeters and in width 300 centimeters. Set the length 6 and the width 6 equal 4. Click F4 key for our edged face mode. Convert it to editable poly. Click G key for hiding our home grid and click Shift J for hiding our selection brackets. Go to modeling ribbon. In polygon modeling, select generate topology, and in this window I want to create some topology for our objects. I want to click this topology, and you can see our polygons go in another condition. Okay, I turn off or close this window. Go to edge mode, select all edges and click split for splitting our polygons in these edges. Turn off sub-object mode and apply shell modifier and set its parameters in outer amount equal 5 centimeters. Okay, go to modifier list and select quadify mesh modifier. By using this modifier, we can apply our mesh. Go to square or quad mode, and in the modifier list, again select turbo smooth for some smooth result. Okay, you can see we have these tiles here. I turn off edged face mode and we have these tiles in this condition. If you want to apply more smooth result to your stones, you can go to quadify mesh and increase the quad size. I want to increase the quad size equal 10%, and you can see we have this smooth result here. For increasing the smooth result in the corners, you can go to turbo smooth and increase iteration, but I offer you that you only increase this amount only for 2, because for our objects or for our scene, with increasing the iteration, our polygons go very much. So avoiding this condition, we must increase only to 2. Okay, I decrease it to 1. If you want to more quantifier for our mesh or increasing quad mode in our mesh, you can decrease the quad size. I want to decrease it or equal to %, and you can see we have this result here. We can have this result for another objects. In the perspective viewport, I draw a cylinder and set its parameters. Radius equal 300 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Height segment equal 1 and cap segment equal 3, and increase the size to equal 40. Click F4 key and convert this object to editable poly. Go to polygon mode and select all polygons except these polygons and delete them. And in the top viewport, go to this place, select these polygons and delete them. Go to edge mode, select all edges and again select split for splitting our polygons. Turn off sub-object mode, apply shell modifier and set the parameters to 10 go to modifier list and select quadify mesh and set its size to 4, and in the last step apply tolerable smooth modifier to this object. So we have this result here. I want to decrease the quadify mesh, so I set it to 2, and you can see we have this result here. You can decrease the quad size for more quadify corners in our object. I set it to 1, and you can see we have these objects, or we have these tiles side by side, and we have this result here. Okay, with using this method for modeling the tiles have some benefits. So we have more realistic result in our renders and in our scene, but with increasing or with using this method, we have some objects that have many polygons, so we must careful to using these objects in only limited conditions or in limited views. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.